Are you struggling with being loved and don't know how much you are loved? Well, Jesus loves you very, very much. And He's the one that created you. He created this world. And He says that He holds out His hands to you all day long, wanting you to come to Him. Enjoy some of the pictures of creation that Jesus has made.
This is a sunshine.
Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed all the scenes of nature. And I hope you're taking the time to get out in nature. Have a wonderful day.